The idea of a giant database containing the internet and telephone activities of millions of Britons was heavily criticised by both the Conservatives and Liberal Democrats as a massive infringement of civil liberties when Labour first tried to introduce it in 2009. Fast forward 3 years, and the coalition have had a change of heart with new plans to grant security agencies and the police the power to monitor the personal correspondence in real time of those living in the UK. Daniel Hamilton from rights group Big Brother Watch believes the government has gone too far.
Well, it represents a fundamental change in the relationship between the individual and the state. Previously, all the communications that we had were considered private unless the police went to a court of law, asked for a warrant to look into people's activities. Under this new proposal, under this new package of measures being proposed by the government, that wouldn't be necessary. It significantly strengthens the hand of the police and of the government to pry into our private lives. And in a democratic society, that's got to be wrong.
But a Home Office spokesperson said these new proposals were crucial.
It is vital that the police and security services are able to obtain communication data in certain circumstances and investigate serious crime and terrorism and protect the public.
For the campaigners at Big Brother Watch, this argument is insufficient.
What we should be doing, rather than putting every single person in the United Kingdom under suspicion, is to actually target our resources, those rare resources and scarce resources that the police have.
Despite attempts at government assurances and the fact that these proposals are still to be debated in Parliament before they can become law, there are outstanding questions to be answered. Who else will have access to the information? How will it be used? And will any particular group find itself targeted, as has been the case when other supposed anti-terror legislation has been introduced? The proposed legislation will see Britain become one of the most monitored nations on earth. There's increasing disquiet from some parliamentarians who say any plans to have this turned into law will be bitterly opposed. And those most at risk of having their privacy invaded, the ordinary law-abiding British citizen, well, they'll be hoping the government backs down. Amina Taylor, Press TV, London.